Hey, we're here today to review a new toy that we got from Amazon, the Ginmic Dinosaur toy. We're going to unbox it, we're going to check it out and see what's inside. What do you guys think so far?
Good. Okay, here's a backpack. Oh cool, it has some dinosaurs on it. That's so cool, I like that one. It says Dinosaur World. All these dinosaurs, like back in time.
That's the flying kind of dinosaur. They're gonna be pretty short.
Oh, here's some little dinosaurs that we'll unbox later. What's that?
I don't know.
Look at all these dinosaurs. So big. And then this little mat.
That's probably not a matter.
This little Dinosaur World little book about dinosaurs.
No, that's not about dinosaurs. I think that's the instructions.
It's about dinosaurs. Okay, this is a little book that's called Dinosaur World. That gives it tells you what it's called, how big it is, different pictures of different dinosaurs, and some facts about them. There's little pictures. There's where they lived. In the back, it says some dinosaurs' names. Wow. So these are little toy dinosaurs that you can play with. Open that! Open it! I'll let you open it.
What do we have, Anna?
I don't know what that is. Well, we have a little big pterodactyl. That's not a pterodactyl. No. Oh yeah, it's not. Okay, so we have some little rock things. We have these little rock things with all these little tree stander things that are pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna open up this big thing. We have some trees that we can put somewhere. And
What do you think about it, Anna?
It looks like it's standing in the water.
These little dinosaurs, you can put these little dinosaurs on it. Friend that you can enjoy and play with on the little mat. It's kind of like a car mat, but it's a dinosaur mat. When you're done, you can put the nuts and dinosaurs in your bag. I would say these are so you put me in the face with one. All these dinosaurs in the bag.
So what do you guys think about it?
I think that other kids should get it.
What do you like about it? What do you like, Anna?
That one's eating a plant and he looks kind of weird.
The book looks kind of cool.
It tells you about the dinosaurs?
Cool. I like the back right here.
So would you recommend somebody get it or no?
Yeah, but like if you're traveling, you can take this as your backpack and with all your put all your dinosaurs in it, and you can play with it at your.
If you're traveling, that's a good idea.
Thank you.